Hi there. Today we're going to talk about another image-to-video AI that you can use to make unlimited animations, cartoon videos, AI movies, completely free. And this is not Runway ML or Pika Labs. This is something else. I have already made videos on Prom AI, and this is going to be the second part of that series. So, without further delay, please subscribe to our channel and let's dive into the video. So, this is called Leonardo AI. You might be familiar with this AI tool, as it is known for being the best text-to-image generation AI tool. If you are new, you have to create an account, and if you are already signed up, click on the Launch App button. Sign in with your username, password, or with your Gmail account. Leonardo AI recently launched its motion feature. With this feature, you can add motion to any image you generated easily. If you click on motion, here you can see some videos that people have generated using this AI tool. Let me show you some of these videos by playing them so you can see what kind of results it provides. Just look at how detailed these videos are. And also look at the motion. It looks really smooth. I have never seen such a good, detailed video from any text-to-video model. You can see the results of these videos yourself, that this AI site is providing very amazing results. And if you want to generate the same video, first you will need an image for that. To create an image, click on Image Generation in the left side menu. Now, enter your prompt by typing your text in the prompt bar. I already have a prompt, which I am pasting here. You can choose your model here. I am choosing Leonardo Diffusion XL, and in the left-hand side menu, you can play with all these options. Here, this alchemy option is for paid users only. We don't need the paid right now. You can add a negative prompt as well if you want. Negative prompt helps you create your perfect desired image. Okay, click on the Generate button. Here, your images are generated. Let's open it. Wow, just an amazing image generated. Quality is just amazing. Now we have to create the video. For this, you can find the Generate Motion Video icon on the bottom of the image. Just click on it. Here you can increase or decrease motion strength. I am choosing 7. Visibility is public by default, and let's click on Generate button. After a short while, our video is generated. Let's check it out. Wow, amazing! Just look at the quality and environment in the background. Really impressive result. You can download it from here. Okay, let's test it through another example. I already have a prompt, which I am pasting here. You can change the settings. I am keeping them the same and click on Generate button. Here our images are generated. Again, excellent quality images are generated. Now click on Generate Motion Video button. This time I am changing the motion strength to 5 and click on Generate. Here is our output result. Let's check it out. Look at the motion, very impressive. Look at the fire effect. It is certainly a very impressive text-to-image and image-to-video AI website that provides excellent animation results. Okay, now if you don't know how to write a prompt, you can just explore the community feed, where thousands of people generate awesome images. You can choose anyone you like and remix with the same prompt and model, and then you can apply motion to the same or the remix one. Finally, let me tell you that when you create a new account, you get 150 credits every day, in which you can create 10 to 15 images easily, or 4 to 6 videos. And if your requirement is for more credits, then you can subscribe to paid plans. I hope you've learned new things from this video. If so, I expect you to like the video and share it with your friends. This will give me motivation to make the next video. Subscribe to the AI on the Go channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming AI videos.